Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on HONOR X8a. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to accessibility features. Right here we can locate the shortcuts and gestures. First one is Google Assistant, and here you can activate your Google Assistant by holding a power button for 1 second, like this. And if you want to access your power menu, hold the power button for 3 seconds.
Okay, 3 seconds.
Like this. Then next one is take a screenshot. So here we have multiple different options. First one is a screenshot using your knuckle. So you can knock on your phone twice and it should make a screenshot. Then another one is partial screenshot. So you can knock once and then just draw on your phone with the knuckle, and it should make a screenshot of exactly what you've drawn. Then next one is scroll shot. Knock once and draw S to take a scrollable full page screenshot. Then next one is a 3-finger screenshot. That means you can swipe 3 fingers down from top of the screen to make a screenshot. Make sure that it's enabled here as well. Then we have another gesture, which is record screen. Knock twice with a double knuckle. And it should begin screen recording. Then next one is wake screen, and here when activated you can lock your phone, raise it with a grip, and it should wake up a screen without touching any buttons. Next one is mute ringtone, and here you can flip your phone screen to the table, and it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.